everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power x is equals to x square and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm going to divide by x square both sides. So it becomes x power x by x square is equals to 1. Now exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So x power x minus 2 is equals to 1. Now I'm taking log on both sides. So log x power x minus 2 is equals to log 1. Now x minus 2 times log x is equals to log 1. So x minus 2 times log x is equals to log 1 is 0. So either x minus 2 is equals to 0 or log x is equals to 0. So from this, the value of x is 2. From here, log x is equals to 0. We can replace with log 1. The value of x is 1. So these are the two values of x, 1 and 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.